In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Browse AI in Make.com. So in order to use this, you just need to head over directly into your Make.com and then look for the integration options to find the Browse AI. You can search for it right there and you should be able to see it directly. Now, as you can see, Browse AI is a tool that can help you get details as a website crawler for your Make automation. So with this, you can just head over and make an API call using this or run a task or watch task execution finish. You can connect directly your Browse AI integration with this, and through this way, you can use it into your automation workflow. Head over and click on this Get Started for free, or if you already have it signed in, you can see an install option from there. So make sure to just install the application directly from here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.